Hi everyone, it's Lisa with inkinspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be making an easy thank you card with the Sailing Home bundle and a couple of the dies. And so we're going to start with a piece of basic black cardstock, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, with a piece of these Come Sailing Away Designer Series paper that coordinates, and it's 4 by 5 1/4. You want to layer that over top of the base of the card. And now I have a piece of silver foil that I've cut a ship's wheel and going to use that as a single embellishment on the front. I've stamped thanks from the set in Memento black ink, cut it with this label die, and then I cut a separate one in basic black to back it to make it stand out a bit from the designer paper background. So I'm just layering that up with some snail adhesive, and I'm going to use some liquid glue to put on the back of the die and sparingly just put a little bit around the edges and in the center and place that down, and then put the sentiment down on front. And there we have an easy yet classic style masculine thank you card that you can send. Just finish the inside. Be sure you visit my website at inkinspirations.com for more details and more card and paper crafting ideas, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.